I'm going to see if I can place this trailer while filming and using the trailer assist. Whoa, getting close there. Yep, nope. Nope. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in here manually. It's pissed off that I'm doing it for itself. Alright, well, didn't like that too much. Let's put it back in reverse. Just gotta locate the sticker. And it's ready to go. So I'm just gonna straighten it out here a little bit. Using the wheel knob thing. And it does pretty well keeping the trailer completely straight. I do like that part of it. So it does a nice job with that. But I like it better doing it manually, trying to navigate it into a tight spot. It's just, I think it's a lot easier just to do yourself. But backing up straight, no hands, without doing that serpentine thing, I like it. I do like it.